Patek Philippe 5249R-001. Main features are: case dimensions 43 mm diameter, 11.55 mm thickness. Case material 18K rose gold, polished. Water resistance 30 meters, 100 feet. Power reserve 38 to 48 hours. Varies on automaton usage. Total component count 267 parts, 28 number of jewels. 150 hours of hand engraving. The dial features 12 gold appliques, 9 of which are sculpted into intricate foliage and animal forms by master engravers. Matara brown gold plate. The base is crafted from an 18K gold dial plate finished in an opaline, deep Matara brown colorway. Diamond set running indicator. A decorative small seconds star set with a brilliant cut diamond spins continuously at 6 o'clock, offering a visual cue that the movement is running. Hinged officer's case. The 43 mm fully polished 18K rose gold case is crafted in a classic officer's style layout. Platinum mini rotor. Winding is handled by an off-center platinum micro rotor recessed into the bridges, allowing a crystal clear look at the hand-beveled gears and Geneva striping. On-demand retrograde animation. Pressing the pusher at 2 o'clock activates the mechanical automaton. The figures on the dial spring to life. The fox animates its paw and muzzle to indicate the hours, while the crow reveals the minutes. Invisible hinged dust cover. The sapphire crystal caseback is hidden behind a solid rose gold rear dust cover. Opening it up via an invisible hinge reveals the mechanical layout inside. Turban winding crown. Features a fluted, vintage-inspired turban crown at 3 o'clock alongside the distinct, patented disengaging clutch. Patek Philippe engineered a specialized, patented clutch architecture within the time-setting train.